Hi everyone, so the Nykaa PINK LOVE sale is here and Nykaa did send me this huge box full of makeup, skincare and hair care products. So for today's video I thought of unboxing this. This has got some of their best selling products. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with skincare. I did receive a lot of skincare products this time. So let's start with sunscreen. I did get two sunscreens in this box. The first one is my favorite. This is from AQUALOGICA. This is their Glow Plus Dewy sunscreen. And then the second one is from Minimalist. This is their SPF 60 sunscreen. Now I do really like Minimalist sunscreens and I also use the Minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen, but I do feel that it pills a lot and this on the other hand doesn't pill at all. So I really like this sunscreen, but I use this daily and not when I have to go out. When I have to go out I just use the Minimalist sunscreen. I'm not sure about the SPF 60 variant. The SPF 51 is very lightweight. The only problem is the pilling. This is very similar to their SPF 50 sunscreen. After this we have a face wash. This is from Nykaa Naturals. This is their Saffron and Honey Glowing Face Wash. I have never tried a face wash from Nykaa Naturals, so I guess I will give it a try. This one is also very affordable, rupees 139. I really like the color and I want to see if this has fragrance or not. This does smell like saffron. After this we have another product that I have already tried. This is the NEUTROGENA Bright Boost Gel Cream. I already have a big tub of this cream and I really like applying it when I don't have to wear any makeup. Again, under my makeup I feel that it does pill a little bit. When I try applying a product in circular motions, it does pill. This also has got really fine shimmer particles inside. They are very fine, so it does give a nice glow to your skin. After that I have a product that I've never tried before. This is the LAKME Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Day Cream with sunscreens. So this is the cream. I think I like the packaging. Ooh, this has got a very moussey kind of texture. This has also got very strong fragrance. I think this kind of mattifies. So I don't think that this one is for my skin type because it turned quite matte. After this I have this NIVEA Soft Light Moisturizing Cream. I really like this cream. It's very lightweight and it's really good for winters. Now summer is almost here, so I'm not sure how it's gonna perform on my skin during summers because my skin becomes like combination, but I really like how lightweight this is and it's very moisturizing. This has got some fragrance. This is the same fragrance that you get in the NIVEA body lotion. Then we have the PLUM Vitamin C 15% serum. I love this serum. I have a full review of this serum on my channel, so I am going to link it in the cards over here. You can check it out. Then we have another vitamin C serum. This one is from Dot & Key. This is the 10% vitamin C plus E Super Bright Face Serum. Now I have tried Dot & Key's 20% vitamin C concentrate. I think that was the name. The one that comes in like different packagings and you have to mix it when you have to use it. I didn't like that at all. I really want to see the consistency and the texture of this one. That one was very sticky. So I just stick to the Nykaa serum. That one works for me. The texture is not like super smooth. I like serums that are more liquidy. I feel that those are absorbed into my skin better. So I'm very picky about vitamin C serums, and the texture of this one I feel is okay, like a 6 or 7 out of 10 I'd say. After this I've got 3 hair care products. Number 1 is a shampoo. This one is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is their Argan Oil and Lavender Smooth and Serene Sulfate Free Shampoo. I have used this shampoo before. In fact I used a full bottle of this shampoo. So the first thing that I have to say is it smells amazing and it's very gentle on your hair. It doesn't dry out my hair or it will not make your hair frizzy. When I exhausted it I thought of repurchasing it, but then again I received some shampoos from other brands that I kept trying, so I didn't get the time to repurchase this. But again, this is one of the most gentle shampoos that I have tried. Next is the BIOLAGE Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. I have never tried it, so I really want to try it out because I am stuck with my L'Oreal serum. I just use that, the 5-in-1 serum with the red cap. Now most of the serums in the market, they just weigh down my hair. They moisturize my hair too much and I lose all the volume. I have very fine hair, so obviously I am going to apply it on damp hair and let's hope that it doesn't moisturize my hair too much. After this, I have the L'Oreal Scalp Advanced Clay 6% mask. This is a hair mask. This actually looks like clay. This has got 6% clay and it smells very refreshing. I don't have dandruff, but I think this is an amazing product to refresh your scalp, and if you have oily scalp, I think this will be helpful. After this, I have a perfume. This one is from Engage. It's the One Soul Unisex perfume. Now I did open it and I really love the bottle. It looks very beautiful and I used it too. It did last for about 3 hours and this has got very strong fragrance. This is not something that I love. This is something that you can wear to a party, I'd say. So now let's move on to the final category, which is makeup. So the first product that I have here is the Nykaa Janhvi Kapoor's Glam Squad. So this is supposed to have 3 products, and number 1 is the All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in Girl Gang. Then we have their liquid eyeliner in Super Black, and then ultimately their Quad eyeshadow palette in 05 Wine and Dine. So this is like a very mauve kind of set, I'd say. I mean, the eyeliner is black, but the lip shade and the eyeshadow are very mauve. So I was expecting something a little bit more smoky. So this kit retails for rupees 997, but I'm sure there will be a huge discount on this kit during the sale. After this, I have a highlighter. This one is from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I used to use this product a lot. This used to be one of my favorite highlighters, but then I dropped it and I broke it and I stopped using it. But I still love the finish that this gives. It gives a very smooth, blinding finish. And I still like this highlighter, so probably I'll start using it again. After this, we have the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. This one is in the shade Natural Tint. Now I have the one in golden tint and I like it. I feel that it's a little bit heavy on my skin, but I really like it for the price. Now the gold one looks too golden on my skin tone, like you can only wear it with makeup. Without makeup it looks too golden. I'm hoping that this one has a little bit more natural finish, but I think it looks okay on my hand. It doesn't look too golden. I think this one is a better variant than the golden tint. Next, we have something from Revolution. This is the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. This one is in the shade Flushing For You. Now, I love their Super Dewy Liquid Bronzer and the highlighter. So I'm really excited to try it out. The shade looks beautiful. It's like a nude pink kind of shade for me. It will look beautiful on my skin tone. Again, all the 3 Super Dewy products, that is the bronzer, the highlighter and the blush, are something that you can use for a more natural makeup look if you like using creams and liquids more than powders, so you can go with these. Then we have something from Forever 52. Let me know if you want to see a full face of Forever 52 because I think that brand is really interesting. I did check out a lot of their products and I think I want to do a full face of this brand. So you get an eyeliner and then you also get like 2 brushes in this. So these are really small brushes. I think this one is also too thick for a gel eyeliner. Then we have a lip color. This one is from NYX. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme. I love the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme and I think it's very popular because a lot of Indian brands tried creating the same thing. This is a deep wine shade, I'd say. Watch it over here. Looks really good. And ultimately I have this Finishing Touch Flawless Eyebrow Styler, I'd say. This is a pen thing with which you can remove extra brow hair from under here or from above. I have never tried a device like this, so I don't have extra brow hair right now because I got my eyebrows done. So I'm just waiting for my brow hair to grow again. I think I will create a shorts video for this because I think this is a really interesting tool. And that was the last product that I have in the box. I think the products this time were more interesting than the last unboxing I did. There were not a lot of makeup products, but I think there are a lot of skincare and hair care products that I can use myself. All of these products are available on amazing discount and I have linked all the products in the description box, so do not forget to check that out in case you're interested in any of the products. And that's it for the video. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.